Watch the slow extension of the paw, the toes spreading wide, and the rhythmic sinking of the claws into a soft surface. Welcome to the channel. As always, while we explore the biology of companion animals, please consult your veterinarian for specific medical advice. Cat owners usually call this making biscuits, viewing it as a predictable sign of a happy cat who has found a comfortable place to settle. This specific sequence of movements actually engages multiple physiological systems, linking brain chemistry to a cat's physical and territorial needs. Because this behavior is so consistent throughout a cat's life, shifts in how or when it occurs provide measurable data about their physical and mental state. The behavior begins at birth. Blind newborn kittens use this rhythmic motion against their mother's belly to stimulate the physical release of milk. In adulthood, that physical motion remains neurologically linked to those early associations. The pressure of the paw triggers the release of endorphin molecules in the feline brain, recreating feelings of warmth and safety. Beyond the brain, the motion activates the skin and its chemical defenses. Adult cats are solitary hunters that rely on scent markers to communicate with other cats. A cross-section of the paw pad reveals microscopic scent glands. The downward pressure acts like a mechanical pump, forcing pheromones out. With every press, these chemical signals are pushed into the fabric, cleaning the object, or the owner, as territory. The motion also serves the musculoskeletal system. After all, domestic cats are crepuscular ambush predators, hunters designed to move from deep rest to high activity in seconds. Kneading functions as a targeted isometric stretch, keeping the forelimb muscles and tendons limber for an explosive pounce after a long nod. Performing a three-part routine, balancing their chemistry, marking their location, and conditioning their body for activity. Pet cats carry this nursing behavior into adulthood through a process called partial neoteny, where juvenile traits are retained as a result of domestication. Living in modern homes exposes cats to constant environmental stimuli, like loud appliances or other pets, that their ancestors never encountered. To manage this environment, cats have adapted an infant survival mechanism into a self-soothing tool to help them stay calm. Since kneading is a tool for managing anxiety and comfort, its frequency is directly affected by a cat's pain levels. This graph illustrates a cat's typical kneading behavior over several weeks. A sharp spike in the frequency of this movement is a measurable sign of a shift in the cat's internal state. A sudden increase in kneading can be an attempt to mask physical pain, such as the discomfort of osteoarthritis, as the cat uses endorphins to self-medicate. In senior cats, a sudden onset of disoriented or obsessive kneading can indicate the early stages of cognitive dysfunction, or feline dementia. By monitoring these changes in behavior, an owner can detect physical or mental health issues in a species that is biologically programmed to hide its pain. While the behavior is natural, overstimulation can lead a cat to use too much claw, damaging furniture or the owner's skin. Avoid using physical punishment or shouting to stop them. Increasing the cat's stress levels only creates a stronger urge for them to perform the soothing behavior. A more effective approach is to gently move the cat to a thick blanket, keep their nails trimmed, or use interactive toys to redirect their predatory energy. The motion remains a vital part of feline biology, soothing the brain, stretching the limbs, and marking their space. Understanding these signals helps maintain the bond between owner and cat by respecting their evolutionary language. Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we decode the mechanics of the purr.